My video guide will provide you with recommendations on how to treat the program, the application called IndexerSource. IndexerSource is the adware type application that is designed specifically for Mac computers. This adware IndexerSource often goes spread through integration with certain free applications. It may also be presented as fake software or browser update alerts. Finally, it is often spread through fake Adobe Flash Player update alerts, so people very often download and install it unintentionally. If you have found this IndexerSource application to be among your Mac applications, the only correct conclusion is to get rid of it as soon as possible. But once again, often intrusion of this adware happens as a result of the adware being integrated with many free applications, so people tend to download and install it unintentionally. Once installed, the adware starts its malicious activities within your browser. It starts showing numerous advertisements not associated with the sites that you visit. And very often its ads may even point you to many shady pages and eventually infect your computer even more dramatically. To remove this adware, access your Finder, go to Applications, locate the adware, right-click on it and choose the option to move it to the trash. I would also recommend researching your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and eliminate other threats which could possibly remain on your computer. Go to the official website combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software. After it gets successfully installed, the program will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware on your system. After it gets updated, you need to click on Start Combo Scan button. So the scanning will begin. Initially, the application is in the trial mode, but in my case, you can see it is in the premium mode. Even the trial mode has got certain free features that will help you to essentially improve the performance of your Mac. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The scanning will begin, then it will take some time until it gets fully completed. At the end of the scan, you will see the information about the threats, about their locations on your Mac computer. You may remove certain threats, of course, manually, but we recommend that you upgrade to Premium. It's the best way to delete any malware from your Mac and to make sure your Mac is always protected from any further adware or malware intrusion attempts.